Have you ever wondered why even the most devout religious figures sometimes fall into temptation? It's a question that stirs the soul, isn't it? Let's take a look at the nature of temptation, a force that doesn't discriminate between the pious and the profane. Consider the story of Priscilla, a devout churchgoer who walked into a pastor's office, expecting spiritual guidance, only to find out that a pastor was falling for her. This was not just an unexpected test of faith, but a shocking encounter that mirrors the biblical story of Jesus being tempted by the devil in Matthew 4. In that profound chapter of the Bible, even Jesus, the epitome of holiness, was not spared from temptation. The devil took him to the temple's pinnacle, a sacred space to test him. Much like Jesus, Priscilla found herself in the midst of an unexpected test of faith, right in the heart of her spiritual sanctuary. Just like Jesus, Priscilla found herself faced with an unexpected test of faith, right in the heart of her spiritual sanctuary. In our churches, we often view pastors as saints, forgetting they are human subject to the same temptations we all face. Let's take a moment to reflect on the human nature of religious leaders. We look upon these figures with reverence, often placing them on a divine pedestal, yet they are not divine, they are human, just like you and me. Consider the tale of Priscilla, a faithful congregant who found herself in an unexpected situation with her pastor. This story serves as a stark reminder that even the most revered among us can succumb to the pitfalls of temptation. This isn't to demonize or belittle these leaders, but rather to emphasize the importance of empathy and understanding. We must remember that our pastors, priests, and religious leaders are not immune to the struggles of being human. They too grapple with the temptation and weakness. Pastors too can fall prey to temptation. They are not immune, they are human. So how can we help our religious leaders navigate these challenges? The answer lies in the power of prayer and support. Our leaders, just like us, are human. They are susceptible to the same temptations we all face. However, they carry an additional burden, the spiritual well-being of their congregation. This is why we must not only pray for ourselves, but also for them. Through prayer, we can ask for divine guidance and strength for our leaders. We can pray for them to have a spirit filled with discernment, wisdom, and continual hunger for righteousness. Support is equally crucial. Providing a supportive environment can help them maintain their commitment to the flock. Encourage them, affirm them, and remind them of their call to lead. A strong spiritual life fueled by prayer and fasting can serve as a bulwark against temptation. It's a beacon of light that guides our leaders, helping them navigate the stormy seas of temptation. Remember, our pastors need our prayers just as much, if not more, than we need theirs. Together we can overcome temptation and uphold the integrity of our faith.